Hey, so today on Tuesday's tip, we wanted to talk to you about that irrigation system. Spring is here, it's right around the corner. Even though we're in Georgia and it's kind of giving us that bipolar weather, kind of gave us a false sense a couple weeks ago, and now it's getting springtime and it's here. So get out there, check that irrigation system. You want to run through that irrigation system, make sure that this time of the year through the winter, you didn't have any broken heads, you didn't have any emitters that are broken or damaged or any of that from winter. We've seen a lot of squirrel damage over the last couple of years where the squirrels will chew into that plastic pipe. That pipe will cause issues in irrigation, because when you start running that irrigation, water is expensive and we want to make sure that it's going in the right places. We're running a special right now at Real Turf Solutions, $65 for irrigation special. We'll come out, check your irrigation system, make sure that everything works and everything's adequate. When we come out and give you that, do that estimate for you, we'll provide you with a price to make any repairs or any adjustments that need to be made. So, hey, if you're interested in that special, it's right here. It's only for a short time. Call us at the office at 478-988-0043, or you can check us out on our Facebook or our website at realturfsolutions.com.